The Org Business Consultants are back with another financial model, which is Auto Parts Store Excel financial model. This model will help the auto parts store owners to evaluate, forecast, and visualize their financial performance. Starting with the table of content, it includes the input sheet, revenue assumptions, and the financial statements to forecast the future cash flows as well. Moving on to the input sheet, it includes the assumptions for the capital structure, the investment from the loans and the investors as well as the owner, the other assumptions for the growth rate of the customers and the products, which includes the auto parts. It also includes the payroll assumptions, capital structure, operating expenses, and assumptions for the account payable, receivable, and inventory turnover days. Moving on to the revenue analysis sheet, it shows the growth in the number of visitors as well as the conversion rate of the visitors to the customers. It includes the individual revenue from each car part as well as the cost of goods sold. Next, we have the depreciation and loan amortization schedule. The depreciation table shows the reduction in the value of your asset for the next 5 years, and the loan amortization schedule shows the monthly principal and interest payments. Next, we have the startup summary. It is the estimation of how much investment is required in the first year of your business, and it also includes the graphical representation of total cost and the utilization of funds. Next, we have the profit and loss statement, which shows the monthly and yearly data of operating expenses, EBITDA, and net income before and after taxes. Moving on to the cash flow statement, it shows the cash flows from the operating activities, investing activities, and the financing activities. It also includes the working capital sheet, which shows the change in account receivable, payable, and inventory. Moving on to the balance sheet, it shows the total assets, total equity, and liabilities of the company for the year ended. Next, we have the break-even analysis sheet, which shows the contribution margin and the break-even sales for each year. Next, we have the project evaluation, which shows the value of the company at year zero. It also includes the WACC calculation and the burn rate analysis and minimum investment required to start the business. Next, we have the sensitivity analysis, which is a comparison of valuation of the company in the actual, optimistic, and worst case scenarios. Moving on to the last sheet, which includes the dashboard. It shows the relevant financial graphical representation of the model and depicts the key financial metrics for the better understanding of the performance measures. Thanks for watching.